Hi Gorgies and gents, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your grandma, your grandpa. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. Today's vlog is an easy, no fuss, no tools wig, and this is very much beginner friendly. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Do like this video and comment down below. If you're an OG Gorgie, a returning subby, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. So today I'll be showing you an install of this wig. This is a 16-inch body wave wig from westkiss. I love this wig and I wanted to do a no tools video. So basically I'm not going to be using any hair dryer, not going to be using any hair straightener, curler. I'm not going to be using anything, no hot combs, nothing. I'm just going to be showing you how to wear the wig because it actually comes ready from the box. So let's start with what we have in our box. In our box, we have the bag that the wig comes in, obviously with the branding over there. And then it also comes with some cute accessories and gifts as usual. So we have the bonnet, which is nice and big. I actually love this color. I'm going to be wearing this bonnet everywhere. And then we have the band that is helpful to securing the wig. We have some combs and brushes to help you with the laying of the edges and also fixing the edges of your hair when you install. And then we have some lashes as per usual. And then we have an extra bag. So this bag you can also use to store any of your other wigs that you already have. This is a transparent lace wig. It is 16 inches, 180 density, and I got it in a large cap. This hair comes styled, pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you don't need to do anything. You literally just take the hair and put it on your head. The wig construction, it comes with bands, it comes with combs in order for you to be able to secure the wig nicely on your head. And I'll just be showing you how I'm going to be installing it. No baby hairs, no fuss, nothing, just glue, wig, and we're done and ready to go. Continue watching if you want to see how I achieved this final look. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end again. Now that my glue is tacky, I am gonna go ahead and put my wig on. I always like using a rat tail comb to like secure it down. I love that this wig was pre-bleached, pre-styled. They did a middle part, a side part for me, but I changed it to middle because I prefer middle parts. See? You cut in a C shape so that it goes around your head, around your ear, sorry. And there we go. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah.
is what I'll do. I'll do.
Now that it's stuck, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my band. Just gonna brush the hair away and maybe cut a little bit of that lace also. This is a body wave wig, but I didn't want too much curl, so I'm gonna brush the curls out just to have like a little bit of wave. The hair is already very voluminous because it is 180 density, so it really just like accentuates any type of curl that you put on, whether you're putting a heavy, you know, defined curl, or whether you just want to have a loose sort of wave. I'm not going to use any tools because the hair is already perfect as it came in the box. I'm really happy with it. I love the length. It's 16 inches. Love the length. It's giving lob, you know, like a long bob. I am going to cut a little bit of the edges just to give it a bit more definition at the ends here, so maybe cut that off. Let's do that while we wait.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down.
Yep. Nice and laid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my glamour spray. Let's cut the lace. I'm cutting as close as I can to the hairline, leaving a little bit of space for me to be able to work with it in future.
You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything.
So we can obviously see how the lace is there. So I am gonna take that brush that I used to tint my cap and just use the excess to tint the lace, because this is transparent lace, it is not HD, so you do need to do a little bit of finessing to get it to look more like your skin tone and a little bit more natural. It's actually taking to the color quite easily. You see the difference? My wig is nicely glued down. I want to define my part, so I'm going to use some concealer and a flat brush.
Take me to your paradise.
You can also use your fingers just to help that to blend. I love that the part goes all the way halfway my head. Do you see how far back it goes? I love that. Ooh, it looks so good, honey. And then, just to blend that out, I'm going to take that same brush and just run it through a little bit. Lovely. And that's literally all the finessing you need to do, because everything else is done for you. The wig is customized, styled, and pre-plucked. And also they pluck it very well, as you can see. They have plucked it very well. I love that. And this is the final product, guys. Love, love, love the body wave type of loose curl. I didn't really want anything too serious, but yeah, the install is quite easy. And as you can see, it blended in very well with my skin, especially after putting on that powder. Yeah, I love the end product. I love the body of this wig. It is so full. It is so full. For 180 density, this is really full. I'm super impressed with this density. I love how soft the hair is. I also really enjoy the length. It's like giving lob, you know? And I love this lob vibe. I'm really in my bob vibe or bob era these days. Love it. And you can always brush these out. I'm gonna brush them out just for a bit more of that wave. Ooh, So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this encouraged you to actually go buy the hair, because it is gorgeous, and for the price point it really isn't that bad, especially because it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it comes styled already. So all you have to do is put it on and get to serving those looks. Really love it. Yeah. Look at that. It's giving everything it needs to give. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next video.
Yeah,